Welcome to my bag review. In today's video, I elevate your everyday style with our curated selection of the best carry-on suitcase 2024. Let's watch. Number 1, Mixi 2024 New Design Wide Handle Suitcase Men Carry-On Luggage Women Travel Trolley Case 20-inch Cabin. Pros. High-quality PC material for superior impact resistance and durability. Wide handle design for an attractive and elegant appearance. Quick access front pocket with shockproof pad for easy access to a 15.6-inch laptop, tablet, or books. Cons. The suitcase is designed for front opening, which might not be preferred by all users, and the traditional method of opening and closing might be missed by some. Number 2, Mixi Puristic Design Travel Luggage Rolling Will Hardside Women's Suitcase Men Trolley Case 1620 Carry-On / Big 22 24 26 28-inch. Pros. Patented design with an aluminum frame for added strength and durability. Suitable for both men and women, with various size options from 16 to 28 inches. Cons. ABS material is heavy and has poor pressure resistance, potentially impacting overall portability. Some reviewers reported issues with the handle mechanism, indicating potential durability concerns. Number 3, New Design Trolley Rolling Luggage Big Wheel Trip Shoulder Bag Travel Men / Women Large Capacity Suitcase Light Boarding Valise. Pros. Wide handle design for easy storage and maximizing space. Durable travel suitcase with a hard, high-density exterior. Lightweight PC material for easier handling. Cons. ABS material is heavy and has poor pressure resistance, potentially impacting overall portability. The design may not be preferred by all users, as it opens from the front instead of the traditional top opening. Number 4, Platinum Elite Compact Carry-On / Large Check-In Hardside Set. Pros. Spacious interior with a clamshell design for easy packing and organization. External USB-A and C ports with fast charge capabilities for powering electronics on the go. TSA-approved lock for secure access. Cons. The skid plate may not be as big or protective as some other bags, potentially impacting durability. The handle mechanism may feel slightly loose, which could be a concern for some users. 5, Bold 22-inch / 28 Rollerboard Set. Pros. External USB-A and C ports with fast charge capabilities for powering electronics on the go. TSA-approved lock for secure access during inspections. 2-inch expansion option for increased packing capacity when needed. Durable 100% polycarbonate shell that flexes upon impact to prevent cracking and keep contents protected. Cons. Heavier than other options, weighing 8.8 pounds. The skid plate may not be as big or protective as some other bags, potentially impacting durability. The handle mechanism may feel slightly loose, which could be a concern for some users. If you want to buy these bags, click on the link given in description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe.